In this video, I will compare DeepSeek and ChatGPT side by side. The main focus of DeepSeek is mainly designed for deep reasoning, solving complex problems, and doing high-level math. And ChatGPT focuses on understanding natural language, having conversations, and helping with various tasks like creating content and coding. When it comes to the user experience, ChatGPT and DeepSeek is almost same. Now let's talk about the pricing. ChatGPT Advanced version is paid while DeepSeek R1 version is completely free. Let's compare both AI tools in the coding. For example, if we ask both to write a header HTML code, as you can see, DeepSeek gives us a detailed code, but the ChatGPT doesn't provide one. For example, here you can see under list item and list item are here. But in the ChatGPT code, there is no list item or under list item is available. So in my opinion, for the coding, DeepSeek is best. Next, let's do a data analysis. I asked what happened on 4th July. Now let's check it out both response. As you can see, the ChatGPT response is shorter and the DeepSeek response is detailed. For example, on the point 1, DeepSeek mentioned US Independence Day 1776. On the point 2, it mentioned other details. And on the point 3, it is showing global events. That's it. So in my opinion, DeepSeek gives more valuable details. Finally, let's do a calculation. Now let's send the both response at the same time. As you can see, ChatGPT is faster. But DeepSeek calculation is with examples. So in the calculation, DeepSeek provided the best result. So that's it for the comparison video. Please like this video and subscribe the channel.